Welcome to the spring 2023 issue of the Advisor magazine. I'm Marcia Posset, Director of Marketing and Editor of the magazine here at Fragasso Financial Advisors. If you're a returning subscriber to the magazine, we're happy to have you back, and we're excited to introduce some new interactive features to our publication. And if this is your first time reading it, we hope you enjoy these features as well. So here's a brief demonstration of what to look for in the new interactive version of the Advisor. Starting with the cover, the titles of the featured stories can be clicked on, and you will be directed to that article. Once you read the article, look for the Back to Table of Contents button in blue at the top right of each article. You may also notice orange arrows at the bottom corners of the magazine pages. Click on the arrows to easily navigate page by page through the publication. On the table of contents, similarly to the article headlines on the magazine cover, all story titles link to the respective content. At the masthead, click on the image of the previous magazine cover to visit our archive of past issues of the Advisor. Click on the blue hyperlink text throughout the publication that directs you to relevant websites and related topics on Fragasso's website. Headshots of Fragasso's team members now appear with the article they authored. You can click on the headshots to read their professional biography or send them an email. As for the topics in this spring issue of the Advisor, our featured content includes a section on new legislation pertaining to the Secure Act 2.0. Whether you're wondering how this may impact you as an individual investor or perhaps as a retirement plan sponsor, we have that information summarized for you in this issue. And the spring issue usually does contain some sort of content related to tax planning. So look for tax efficiency planning tips, as well as a message from our portfolio management team pertaining to 2023 recession concerns. The Advisor is complimentary in digital form, so we encourage you to share it with friends, family, and business associates who may find this information helpful. All we need is an email address to get them started. You can find the sign-up form for our magazine at the bottom right corner of FragassoAdvisors.com. We hope you enjoyed this magazine issue, and we hope you find the information inside useful and educational. Until next time, happy reading.